Hello, today we will guide you through how to buy and sell on HFM. To get started, open the HFM website and go to the My HF area. This is the main dashboard where you can access your trading tools and manage your account. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section before moving on. Starting from the main portal helps ensure you are using the right path to place trades. Next, look toward the right side of the screen and click on Trade. This will take you from the account management area into the trading environment. If you are new to the platform, this is the point where the process shifts from setup into actual market access, so it is a good idea to move carefully and confirm each click. After that, click on Select Sample Platform. This step opens the platform you will use to view the market and place orders. Depending on your screen size or layout, the option may appear slightly differently, but the goal is to enter the sample trading platform so you can continue with the demonstration. Give it a few seconds to load if needed. Once you are inside the platform, select the sample symbol you want to trade. A symbol is the market instrument you are choosing, such as a currency pair, commodity, or another available asset. Be sure you click the correct symbol because your trade actions will apply to the instrument that is currently selected. This is an important step since all order details are tied to that market. Now go to the top left of the chart and click either Buy or Sell. This allows you to choose the direction of the trade you want to make. In simple terms, Buy is used when you expect the price to move up, and Sell is used when you expect the price to move down. Selecting one of these prepares the trade setup for the next action. Finally, once you have made your selection, go to the panel on the right side and click Sell or Buy to place the order. This is the action that submits your trade. Before clicking, it is always helpful to quickly review what you selected so you can be confident that the order matches your intention. When you click, the trade is placed on the sample platform. And that is how to buy and sell on HFM. Follow each screen carefully, double-check the symbol and trade direction, and you will be able to complete the process smoothly.